In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record mortgage payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner managing your finances or someone simply aiming to keep their financial records tight, this guide will walk you through the process of recording your mortgage payments seamlessly. To get started, head over to QuickBooks Online and locate the New button positioned at the top left corner of your screen. By clicking on this, you will unlock a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll want to select Journal Entry. This feature is crucial, as it allows you to manually record transactions in your accounts. Once you're in the Journal Entry screen, it's important to give your entry a distinctive name for clarity. Naming it Mortgage Payment, and if you prefer, adding a number, can significantly help in keeping your entries organized, especially if you plan on doing this regularly. Now, it's time to associate this journal entry with your mortgage account. If you've already set up a mortgage account in QuickBooks, you can swiftly select it from the journal entry list. However, if this is your first time, don't worry. You can easily create one by clicking Add New. When setting up this new account, ensure you allocate it under the long-term liabilities account type. This designation is integral because it relates to debts or obligations that need to be paid over a period longer than 1 year. For the detail type, go with Notes Payable. This will help appropriately categorize your mortgage liability. Next, you'll want to enter a recognizable name for this account, such as Mortgage Principal, and feel free to add a distinguishing description like the address of the mortgaged property. This additional information will aid in quickly identifying the purpose of the account in the future. Remember to specify the date, reflecting when the mortgage payment was made. With this information in place, click Save and close to solidify your newly created mortgage account. Having established the account, go back to your journal entry and select the mortgage account you just created from the list. This is where the actual recording takes place. Look at your mortgage statement for the mortgage amounts you need to enter. These include the principal, potentially interest, and other applicable fees. Input these figures into their respective fields. Once every detail has been carefully entered and double-checked for accuracy, it's time to finalize the process. Clicking Save will record your entry, effectively updating your financial records in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a mortgage payment. By following these steps, you ensure that your mortgage liabilities are accurately tracked and reflected in your financial reporting. Keeping tidy records is vital for insightful business decision-making and staying ahead in your financial journey. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other financial management tips and tricks.